Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got another fun one for you. Today we got an episode of Worker Work. That's right, Worker Work is our behind the scenes look, day-to-day life of a GPU mining farm operator. So with this episode of Worker Work, we are going to just kind of show you a little bit on what we've been doing. We've been doing some different testing and such. This motherboard is one of the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboards. We threw it in a double stacker bus here, like Zach, one of our other teammates, called it here today. Got a couple of server power supplies up there. Just got our big shipment of GPURiser.com risers in, and you can see we're just doing some testing there. Want to make sure those things are up to par. As far as test rigs go, guys, we got all sorts of testing that we've been doing. Working on trying to find different motherboard configurations and such that work. You guys know, as always, we're a big fan of the community. Guys, I know that not all motherboards will be able to get 13 GPUs. I get that. That's not the point of our last Worker Work series. Basically, what we've been doing is just showing people, talking with people, guys. There's so many people that have not seen this stuff. So, you know, here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 GPUs on this Maximus 8 rig here. Doing some testing, like I said, as well. Got another one here that we're doing. Keep an eye out for this one. We've got our 10 2080s. They're supers, guys. And we've got that running on one of those PCIe splitters, but we got 10, count them, 10 GPUs on the Hero Maximus. We are able to get up to 12 GPUs on that. But like I said, guys, we know that there aren't configurations that we can't get them all. Over here at Not Your Normal Miner's workstation, you can see we're doing a little bit of testing. CPU can also set up right there in those GPURiser.com risers. We can test GPUs right away. Over here I can put different motherboards and CPU configurations. You can see there that we're doing some Monero testing on that XMR. You can see over here the Not Your Normal Miner workstations had some upgrades. We've got this RGB going here. Keep an eye out as well. We've got the Asus ROG Strix. We got a 3060 in here. Currently this thing is nerfed. That's right, it's nerfed. But I love the RGB, how that looks. So we're going to give you guys some hash rates, some Ethereum hash rates and stuff on that. Also check out that Not Your Normal Miner logo. Huge thank you to Doge Lord Apparel for making the push, getting that stuff updated. People really love that. But you got to check out YouTube, you got to check out Twitter, got to check out Not Your Normal Miner Discord. All those in the links in the description down below. But in this episode of Worker Work, like I said, we've just been doing some testing. When we say GPURisers.com risers come in, well, there you go. There's some of those. With that expansion that we're working on, keep an eye out for that. And when we say testing, guys, just different cards, different GPUs, different setups, different hash rates and those types of things. None of this stuff's too crazy. This is just different things that you'll see. But yeah, comment down below if you're new to the channel. Let us know what you think. Let us know what kind of motherboard configurations you guys have. As we talked with you guys earlier, it's not that we don't know what motherboards work and such. We're doing different testing, guys. It's hard to get some of this stuff. Especially these things, man. I love the look of the RGB on these. We're getting about 45, 46 megahash per second on these things, about 125 watts. Comment down below, you getting more than that, you getting less than that. But like I said, we are using that splitter there. We can do a couple of those splitters, and like I said, we can get 10, no problem there. Currently pulling a 1,416 watts. So here at the remote garden location, guys, having a lot of fun showing you guys some different things. Testing's very key. Make sure you're checking your ROIs and those things. In the description down below, you're going to be able to find a link to HIVEOS as well. You guys hear me talk about HIVEOS quite a lot. Well, we love the stability of HIVEOS. We love the ability to how quick it reports. We love the overclockings that we can do. Just quite frankly, guys, overall HIVEOS is quite an amazing operating system. We love that. So here you can see with this one, we've got 1 stick of RAM. Some of the other tests that we're doing over here, we do have 2 sticks of RAM in this one. So that's 16 gigs versus 8 gigs of RAM. Like I said, just doing different testing configurations, seeing how those things work. Lots of these videos have already been out, but we're doing these tests for ourselves. You guys know we love the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. If you are mining hardware store, something like that, comment down below. I'd love to talk with you. Somebody like ASRock, a GPU producer, NVIDIA, anyone like that, I'd love to chat with you guys as well. We're always looking for new products. We got that expansion. In the upper right hand corner, we're going to have links to different things. So a lot of people want to see, you know, different things. Well, we're getting ready to go. We keep our inventory nice and tight here. You can see we've got some RAM there. We got some CPUs. We've been doing testing on those. You guys know we keep the high and tight, the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboards around. I don't even know, guys. We got the breakout boards that we like to use. We got our power supplies down here. We've got our splitters. You guys know this is just common practice stuff here. We've got splitters, lots of other things to make our configurations work. We have a lot of fun out here at the GPU mining farm. Huge shout out to the team. Huge shout out to Zach and Tim. You guys are amazing. Let's come back over here, look at this RGB. We're going to do some different testing with this as well. And what I mean by that is we're going to show you guys the different hash rates. We're going to unnerf this as well. See what we can do as far as hash rates go. Expecting good results from that. A lot of people, you know, already been doing that, but this is just once again some results for our channel. So wrapping up this episode of Worker Work, guys. We've been having a lot of fun. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. That way you can keep up with all of our Worker Work series, the 1.5 megawatt power upgrade. Goodness gracious, all of our different testing that we're doing. Lots of fun, lots of shenanigans. We do have one of those Emirate hotspots, or scratch that. We've got an Emirate cool spot mining helium. Want to talk with you guys about that. Got about another 15 days, 20 days until we get that first payout. So that'll be really great to show you guys that. So if you guys have questions, comment down below. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. That way other people can see them. If you didn't like this video, comment down below. Let us know what you didn't like about it. Are you a hardware manufacturer? I would love to see you. But if you guys have used GPUrisers.com, you guys know those look sick. We have a lot of fun there. So my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. You guys have a great day. Thank you.